and they just get placed under the conveyor system. You have barcode readers on the conveyor, so as it goes by, it scans and now knows where that tote is, and it'll put it wherever it feels it needs to put it. If it's a product that gets used more often, it's moved up towards the front. Product that's used less often, it's put back towards the back. If there's a product that we have just come out with, it's going to put in the back, where it's getting more and more usage, it'll slowly work its way forward. So the cranes don't have to work as hard. They don't have to travel as far. It makes it just that little bit more efficient. It doesn't sound like much, but we've got well over 10,000 parts here. So there's quite a bit of movement. That's the whole control system right there. It's all run on our Profibus system. So if you look in the boxes, we've got these periodic controls. This is the Wago 343 bus coupler, Profibus, a couple of I/O modules. But there's at least one box in each station, and there's at least one more box around the corner. We'll take a look down at the results.
Daniel's gonna love this.
I think our receiving department is over here. I don't know, that may have changed last week. If a part comes down and it's going to pick up multiple orders, it'll come down to go to one station, when it's going to that station, it's going to look back. If that order is ready to be full, it'll just go to the next station.
Sideways to try to get the hole.
While it's waiting for that
and this one was shot. Incredible. That's
then we don't have to shut down and do inventory. Cycle comes throughout the year. Unfortunately, so we actually still shut down for a couple of days at the end of the year.
there's some automation for you. That's great.